mustard on that beat. Oh.
Aye, mustard on the beat, ho, Debo, any rat nigga, he a free throw. Man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him free, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like he's so. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton.
Đừng ai lâu tên, thầy lại căn vор đùm căn lim. Ô hùng liềm tu, giam lý mây rô, cất đi đủ lại, à liềm mây tu hi, cập phal nêm lê tu mi bùi giam lý sham rô. Dung sơ thập bùi bông, mình siết bùi sắc mình dối khang, cất ta nà vul môi đoan, cất ta nà vul môi đoan.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the soul with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the floor on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-down. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 that fuck him up. Wop, 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 I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
Đừng ai lâu tên, thầy lại căn vор đùm căn lim. Ô hùng liềm tu, giam lý mây rô, cất đi đủ lại, à liềm mây tu hi, cập phal nêm lê tu mi bùi giam lý sham rô. Dung sơ thập bùi bông, mình siết bùi sắc mình dối khang, cất ta nà vul môi đoan, cất ta nà vul môi đoan.
They not like us, 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 they not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pac, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't there some P-Rest stands for bitchin'? You Malibu most wanted, ain't no love boy, you ball boy. Fetch Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie, be flipped over your boxes, well over your foe. The other fashion.
Anh nào mà em ở hiện ao nào nha
Unawan niya ni Amay.
đang sơn nào đấy ra